Hey guys, so apparently, well not apparently, well obviously, the shirt that I showed you guys in day 10 looked so bad on me. Obviously, I should have known that considering the person who modeled it in the picture was skinny. I am a box. So I'm selling the shirt. Also, hi, happy Vlogmas Day 11. I got ready, I put on jeans, I put on the top. I was like, I look horrible. So I changed into what I was wearing last night. Well, not yesterday, but like I mean, I'm wearing the same sweatpants because I don't give a fuck. I'm wearing a shirt. Yeah. Crap, I forgot to bleep something out, dude. I've saved, day 10 in my camera roll twice. And now I'm gonna have to do it a third time because I forgot to edit something else. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'll probably won't see you guys until either later today or for day 12. But yeah, I'll see you guys. So I'm on my way to the bank right now because I went to check my bank account to see how much money I had left, to see if I possibly had enough to order food. And apparently a payment from Shoe Dazzle was made that I did not make. So yeah, I'm a little irritated, a little stressed out. As if today wasn't already like crap. Someone's stealing my credit card information. But yeah, I'm gonna get this sorted out and I will talk to you guys maybe when I get back. I don't know. Hi friends, so as y'all may know, I'm obviously a fan of the Dolan Twins, representing their Spread Positivity merch. Not sponsored, but if you guys want to go check it out and cop one of these t-shirts or a hoodie, DolanTwins.com. Anyway, so Ethan and Grayson came out with this fragrance company called Wakeheart about a little over a year ago. So I first bought Grayson's fragrance, which I have right here. And then I bought Lucid Locations. And then I bought Sunlit Sensations and Conscious Conversation. And so after a year of forgetting to put my money aside to buy Ethan's signature fragrance, I finally did. So that's what I have right here, and now I'm gonna open it. Sheesh. I'm gonna need a knife, so I have a knife. Ah, here we go now. Okay, so here it is. I got everything open. The box. Charm. Love it. Oh my gosh. I can smell it right now and it smells so good. I need Okay, so there's a box. So, yeah. Ooh. Ah, don't know why I'm nervous. I already know I'm gonna like it, but yeah, okay. Oh! Ooh. I love that. I don't know how to describe it because I'm bad at describing. Oh my god. That smells so good. It's like relaxing. I feel relaxed when I smell that. But yeah, that's my review of Ethan Dawn's Wakeheart signature scent. And just me promoting, not sponsored. But if you want to check it out, wakeheart.com. Bye.